YouTube. This is Mike at Empire Chrome, and last couple of days we've been working on this brand new Peterbilt 389, dressing it up. So we put these rock guards on, and we put the visor on, the window trims, the breather lights, the hood extensions, cowl, cab, sleeper kit. Put these chop looks on up here. We've done the chop looks on the sleeper.
Hey guys, I'm Matt May from Empire Chrome. Yesterday and today we've been working on this beautiful Peterbilt. We've installed half fenders on this truck yesterday. The center caps the driver purchased himself, but he installed himself, but it's a great look to the truck. And then also we had a center panel for lights on the back of the truck here. And I'm really hoping this guy comes back for more work, because this is such a beautiful truck. On this Peterbilt here, we've also installed a turbo wing and a trim on the cab. Beautiful look to the truck.
That's it for today, YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell and leave a comment. And that's it for today. Bye.